How's it going, YouTube? Well, this is day 2 of unboxing stuff for the new parts for Red. Now, some people have kind of guessed, so let's get the next box opened up for Red. This will give it all away. So, almost tripped. I could have died. Anyway, so let's look at this box, and then we'll open it up and see what's inside. Yep, you guessed it. I'm gonna go EFI on Red, just so I can drive it. I mean, so I don't have to worry about the carburetor. I ain't gotta tune it every time the wind blows. You get tired of that stuff. I want it to do it itself. I'm getting old. I don't care. So we'll get the box open. We'll see what's in the box. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there's a nice padding. All right, so let's get that out of there. Okay. Got the wiring harness. We got things that nobody ever uses. The instructions. Ooh, and I got a sticker. Okay. And then this one I bought, it's called, it's kind of hard to find on the website, but it's called the X-Flow. And the X-Flow is supposed to flow 900 CFM and be good for 800 horsepower. So you got an inlet and outlet. Got your linkage over here. But something I've learned since I had EFI last time is these are set up for Chevy and Ford. They're not really set up for Dodge. So you got to put that extra linkage, just like you do on a Holley carburetor, on this, so the ratio will be right. I think that was some of my problem with my other EFI that wasn't doing well. But yeah, this is supposed to flow, I said 900 CFM. So, and it looks like that on the bottom. It's got these few wires on it. And taps. It ain't really no bigger than anything else. You got a ported vacuum and basically a power brakes vacuum or manifold vacuum on it. So that's that. And then it's got this other box with it. Let's open this up, which is more wires and more wires. And let's see what else we got. We got the controller. Got some band clamps for the O2 sensor, but that's fine because I already got the bungs and stuff in there. And comes with a communication wire, and it comes with a coolant sensor. So we'll get on this in a little while, getting this wrapped up. Flip this back around. But I got a fuel pump that goes in the fuel cell. You're supposed to unbolt the top of the fuel cell and drop it down in there, and it's already got a 340 liter per hour pump on it, and it's internally regulated to 58 psi. So you hook it up and you're ready to rock and roll. So the Sniper EFI, I was reading on it, this X-Flow, it'll do everything that my 6AL will do, with the retard timing, the base timing, the launch control, the trans brake, all of it. So I might pull my MSD box out of here, because this will do everything my MSD box will do, and I can plug it into my computer. So we're gonna see how that goes, see if I can get that to work. So anyway, yep, Red is getting Sniper EFI. Red will be an EFI truck, because I'm tired of screwing with carburetors. Not that this Dominic carburetor ain't bad, but I'm tired of screwing with it. I'm just letting y'all know, I'm tired of screwing with it. I just don't want to no more. Sorry, Dominic. Your carburetor, you had good carburetor stuff, but for something I'm going to daily drive, I think I want EFI. I really do. So we're going to try this and see how it works. Maybe this will be up for sale soon. Who knows? But anyway, y'all take it easy. Go out there and turn some wrenches. And here in a couple weeks, we'll start putting this EFI on the truck. Later, guys.